Lila kicked out both cats. All three cats were around the strawberries, and she massacred them all. So I'm scared to touch the strawberries now. You boys all right? You boys okay? Oh, Taz is making another go for it. Oh, here we go again. This did not go well last time. Oh! No! Oh, God. Yeah, like that'll make up for it. Good luck, Tiberius. This stand-on will go on forever. Those two. Look at that. Those standoffs last forever. Oh, here we go. Are we practicing our moves? Mm-hmm. This is my life. Like, who needs Netflix? Don't need it. Yeah. My life. Oh, Tazzy. Gosh darn it. That's the end of my strawberries.